This is a pedicure. I think it's really cute. I want to do something really different. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kay. If you're not new, welcome back. As you guys read from the title below, today's video is going to be a realistic day in my life. I really don't have that much going on today. I'm really just finding an excuse to pick up the camera and get some content in, because you know what I'm saying, we gotta get the content in. I gotta find a way to make it outside. I didn't put that sunscreen on this morning for nothing. So I'm really just finding an excuse to get out the house, do something. I've been in the house all day, literally, because like I showed you guys earlier, I was in class for a call center position that I'm taking on. So for the past couple of weeks, I've been in class each day from 9 to 3. I'm basically in training right now. So that's what I had to do this morning. And so right now it's like 3:03 p.m. and I'm getting ready to go get a pedicure. I'm getting ready to go get these toes done, because right now they're barking at me like they're yelling and crying out for help. So need to go get the girls done. I haven't had them done since March, like the end of March, which is really bad. It's not me, but I've really just been focused on this class that I'm taking. I haven't really been worried about that, but today I need to do something. So I think I want to try something different, something that screams summer, because it's literally about to be June in what, like 2 weeks? Yeah, time is flying by so fast. I swear it was just January. My birthday's literally in August. That's crazy. Am I tripping? That's crazy. Like, I'm literally about to be 22 years old. But enough rambling. I'm getting off topic. I'm gonna meet you guys at the nail salon. Guys, so I just made it back home. I finished getting my pedicure. I think that it came out really cute. I got something different, something that I've never gotten before ever. But like I was telling you guys earlier, I really wanted something that screamed summer, something that kind of just fits well with my complexion. So I got orange and neon. Let me show y'all. I was second guessing it just a little bit because it's a little out of my comfort zone. I don't think I've ever gotten anything like this, like mismatched nails, but it's cute. It ate down. I shouldn't have ever doubted her, because she always eats down on my toenails, period. So right now it's 5:54 in the evening, so it's almost 6 o'clock, and I think I'm gonna go to the park while it's still some daylight out here, because I haven't been to the park in a while, and I think I just need to walk around, get some fresh air in my lungs. Going to go get a pedicure and then coming right back to the house is not really ideal. It's not enough. So just walk around, get some sunlight, touch some grass, just, you know, I also am cooking dinner tonight. I know I want to cook dinner for a fact because I'm tired of spending money. I don't want to spend no money to get no food out. So I'm going to cook dinner tonight. And I have to stop by the grocery store just to get a couple of ingredients for the recipe. It's simple, but it looks really good. I'll tell you guys a little bit more about what I'm making later on. But for now, I'm going to head to my car and I will meet you guys at the park. You guys can work it out. Hi guys, so I'm back from the park. I wasn't even gonna come on the camera because my edges have literally sweated out, bro. Like, that's the thing with having my type of hair, type 4 hair. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Like, it sweated out so bad. Like, it's really bad. Like, I literally just came out of the beauty supply store because it was no way I was gonna go into Kroger's with my edges looking like this. Like, I had to get me something to do my edges real quick in the car before I go in. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'm gonna head to Kroger's. It's literally like 3 minutes away. I really hope this joint is telling the truth. Like, please. Oh my gosh, my edges is not cute no more. They not cute no more. They was, oh fuck no. It's hot as fuck out here. Oh, that's not. It's not giving what it was giving earlier, but okay. Whatever. And this bump, like, why? Oh my gosh, it's literally so big. Like, I ain't gonna pop it though. I don't never pop my bumps. I ain't doing that.
You said make sure I remember to take your receipt.
Alright you guys, so the last time I saw y'all, I was in Kroger's getting a few groceries to pick up to cook dinner tonight. It's currently like 9 o'clock right now, going on 10 o'clock. After I left the grocery store, I actually went and did a couple of food deliveries just to make some extra money, you know what I'm saying? But I almost kind of regret it because while I was out there, this officer, he wanted to be an a-hole and give me a ticket for a seatbelt. Like, I guess my seatbelt wasn't on, he says. And so he gave me a citation for it. And that just kind of blew me. So I really don't even want to vlog no more tonight if I'm being realistic. And this is a realistic vlog. So I really don't want to be on the camera right now. But I'm not going to go without properly closing the vlog off. I am still going to cook dinner tonight because I haven't eaten anything all day, literally. And I need to put something in my stomach. So I'm going to cook dinner tonight and then I'm going to close out for the day. And I'm going to just call it a night, try and calm down. But that said, I'm going to head into the kitchen and let's get cooking.
She riding me like a BMX, she said the D is for dying off. I got two ones, I go rhyme, money keep coming in. I ain't getting loose. My shoes, Rick, young girl do my toes off. She ate my dick like a
And I'm like, bitch, what the fuck, bitch? We beefing cause she fake, and she always switching up me. But that bitch thing got dumb ass. Pop all the movies, let's get some shit up. You can't waste my time if I don't give a fuck.
Boy, I'm tired. Oh my gosh, I'm tired as fuck. Alright guys, so I finished preparing my meal and it's practically the next day. I kid you not, it's literally almost 12 o'clock. I'm sure it really wouldn't have taken me as long as it took me to make this meal, but because I was trying to film at the same time, it took a lot longer. Noted. I'm gonna go ahead and try out my meal and see how I did. I think I did a really good job with the presentation and everything. It looks really delicious, can't lie. So we're gonna do a taste test now. That's different. I like it. This is good and it's healthy. 2 in 1. Look, healthy food can taste good too. I'm so hungry. I shouldn't even be eating this late, but I ain't got no choice. But anyways, I'm not gonna just sit in front of the camera and eat. This is not a mukbang. After I eat, I'm gonna go shower and then I'm going straight to bed. So I am gonna close out for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment something nice down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more of moi. And I will see you guys in my next video.